It's a game you can't win. Enjoy the ride.
So it's gonna be a horrible video because I'm outside in Oregon, but I'm talking about Florida. So Lake Monroe, it is a county park. It's part of Seminole County, and it is $15 a night. You do have to call for reservations. You just call the City of Seminole County Parks and Recreations, and they'll direct you to where you need to go. You cannot stay more than 7 consecutive days or 30 total calendar days in a year. We call it Mosquito Lagoon because you will be attacked by mosquitoes at night. So definitely it's fun to hang out in the morning after the sunlight has come through and they've all disappeared, but then at night you better run in as soon as that light goes down, because we were definitely attacked several times by the mosquitoes. They have a boat ramp, they have restrooms and showers, they have a playground, and they have a huge random alligator sculpture by the lake that you can go see. You can fish. You do have to have your fishing license. You can boat, obviously. There's a small fee there, and trying to think what else there is. They do have room for tents only sites, and then they also have RV sites. And I'm pretty sure I remember when she called me back, she did go through how big our rig was and then told me which sites we could have. If you can get the ones, ask her, that are closer to the end of the park, then those are a lot bigger. They're more field type sites. They're just a lot larger than the one we try to squeeze in. It's a nice park otherwise. The kids loved the playground. We did not like the mosquitoes, so that was the time that we were there. So we were there at probably the October, and then I think we came one more time either late October or November. I can't remember, but either way, Florida mosquitoes are bad anyways, but out there, particularly because of the brush around the sites, it was really bad. So I'll share some pictures and some videos. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll answer them. Otherwise, I think I remembered everything, but enjoy. I forgot to mention there are a couple of hikes behind the park. If you go through, you can go to them. Sorry, I don't really think they're hikes, they're trails. They're concrete for most of it, and we didn't get that far because it was like over a mile and it was already getting dark, and so we ended up worrying about having to come back in the dark, and you're like in the middle of the, I wouldn't say woods, but I guess wooded area, and so we turned around and came back. So we didn't even get to, it says that there's a springs back there, we didn't get to see it. So but you can if you can make it.
me. Aww.
What about Reagan?
No.
Meh. What about Jordan? Yeah?
No.
No. Jordan's not your friend?
What about Emily and Daddy? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Not you.
Coley Ramsey. Whoa!
That looks like a weird...
Cereal.
That looks like a piece of cereal.
I know.
See? That's random.
I know. I was just eating the cereal and I found something hard and I pulled it out. I thought it was a Lego piece.
And you're like,
A Lego piece?
why would you have a Lego piece in your mouth?
I don't know.
You storing it in there like a chipmunk?
No.
Coley. Are you asleep? What? You're tired? That's not your bed, dude. Get out of my bed.